Hello everybody, it's me again. It's Glenda with Fralins and Friends. You are all our friends and we love you. We just had some visitors for a while this evening or this afternoon, and it was a very, very good visit. And so I'm ready to get to work now on these birds. Now, I did give you some misinformation. I don't know where I got it from, but the hummingbird is not the fastest bird. The peregrine falcon is the fastest. It's in fact the fastest animal alive on this planet. But the hummingbird is the only one that can fly backwards. It's the only animal that can fly backwards. So, we have that to go on. Now, I'm going to try for this color. I like that color. I'm going to try for it. My models don't always behave. As you can see, there's all different kinds of colors. That one's kind of every color of the rainbow, I think. And the one I was looking at, that one there, it's more into the blues and the greens. So I think I'm going to work on that one. Oh, excuse me. I think I told you last night that they are only about 2 to 2.5 inches long. They don't smell they don't get smells very easy, but they have their vision is really good. Their colored vision is very good. So they prefer red. I was going to tell you, their nests are very, very tiny. It'd be hard to see one, I suppose. Not that they're not, but you just wouldn't notice it. They're about well, Joe's guessed about the size of a chicken egg. And I suppose, yeah, about the size of half a chicken egg will probably be right. But the glue that they use, or what they use to kind of glue them together and make them out of, spider webs. Believe it or not. Okay, I did go ahead and put these little flowers on. And the black, that kind of represents the holes where their tongue is going. Now their tongue is what moves in and out. And it is I'm just going to say it's very fast. I don't know how else to put it. But I'm just going to... That was supposed to be the beak. I'm a little shaky tonight for some reason. I just took my meds not long ago. One of them should help stop that shaking, at least not quite so bad. let's see. Their eggs are very, very tiny. And they only lay 2. That's all they lay. And that's about all that would fit in that little tiny nest. Okay, he is swallowing his. Alright, I will be back. I have to let this dry. Okay, I'm back. And I'm going to do, I don't want to do brown wings. And why should I? They don't, very few, I don't know how many of them actually have brown wings. But I did go hunt some more facts, because I like to do that. And okay, it isn't that their speed is so fast as for flying, but their wings will rotate on a figure 8 so thousands, about 50 or 60 times per second. So their wings, and they move in a figure 8, which allows them to fly forward, backward, upside down if they need to. They do have some invisible wings that are towards the back, I guess. I didn't know about that, but if they're invisible, then I guess I don't need to put them in here, but excuse me. But I'm going to do their faces a little bit lighter color, because I want, that might not be what I want. Let me do this. I'll do them in blue. I'll just use a lighter blue, because I want to be able to see their eyes. But their wings, I think I just said that, they move in a figure 8. And they don't, they have great memories. They will remember where they were the year before, they'll remember where they found their last food source. I'm going to leave a little bit of that dark blue there, just because I want to. Well, they move about 300,000 to 500,000 miles every year from either Canada or Alaska down to Mexico. They do sometimes go as far as the Andes in South America. Trying to figure out what I'm doing here, because I really don't know. You know that. You already know that. I just really don't know who I am or what I'm doing. I'm going to say it for you do. But they do migrate south. But the funny thing is, they do not have to. They will sometimes breed in the Andes at below freezing temperatures. And they I think I said they're not. They are not, yeah, they do not mate for life. I think I did say that. But they do sleep very heavily. Oh, heavens. They will remember every feeder and every flower along their way. Now, they do eat at least twice their body weight every day. That's in stages as they go because they need those calories. Yeah, they can thrive in freezing temps. Is all that interesting, or is it just flying by? I know to some it will be interesting and to others, no. But that's okay. Everybody's different. Everybody's different. Sometime I might be given some tidbits that I look up on something else. So there's our hummingbirds. I hope that you really do like them. They've got their eyes on you now, and they're looking. The feeder is similar to what you would find. They come in all different kinds. Some can be an old mason jar that's screwed onto one of these feeder things, but most of them look like this. So, I love you. Oh, I thought my hands were too painy to. So, we will. Let's see. Yeah. We will do. We have a short for Thursday. And it's all already recorded, and I know you're going to like it. I just know it. Take care of yourselves. Be loving. Smile and wave. When you're out and about, if you see somebody that you know, smile and wave. If you see somebody you don't know, smile and wave. I love you. We'll see it. There is our product. And there is
Hey,
Joe.
smells like vinegar in the house. My coffee maker's been kind of perking slow, so I'm running vinegar and water through it, get some of the calcium out.
Okay.
But it smells up the house.
Smells like vinegar.
Smells like vinegar. So I'm doing that. I was getting ready to go out and check the mail. I got paid today, so I can go pay my bills.
Oh. Yes, please, pay the bills.
Yep.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
All right. Be good.